All right, welcome to Overtime Cards. It's time to do our random for the Prizm break. So Prizm just came out today, so we are going to randomize the list for teams of everybody that got into our first 8-box break of Prizm. So we're going to do the dice roll, and we're going to see what teams everybody's got. So here's the dice. We got the 2 dice here, so we're going to roll the dice to see how many times we're going to hit the randomizer. Here we go. It looks like we got 8. So we're going to randomize the list 8 times. So we got everybody in the break right here. Adam, you got 2 spots. Craig, Barry, Guy, Jimmy Orr, Jake Thompson, you got 2 spots. Steve Kiddo, Kindry, Casey, Paul, Dustin, you got 2 spots. Adam, you got another spot. Craig, Ross, Utah Breaker 23, Lee Caldwell, then Utah Breaker 23 again, and then Tanya. And then the spots that were left.
Lee Caldwell wants to know if there's any spots unsold, so explain to him about they can buy those two for the price when we get there.
Okay, so Lee, we're going to do the randomizer now, so the time to buy random spots is over. But we are going to randomize, so all the teams that go to overtime cards are going to be available. Now keep in mind, they're not going to be available for the price of a spot. Each team has a different price, so it's not, get the best team for the same spot as a spot. So we'll post in the comments under the video the prices for the teams, but you still can get a team, yes, until the break starts. The break starts at 5:30, so it's obviously almost about 5-10 minutes to 5, so you got about a half an hour to go over that. So anyway, we're going to randomize the name list right now. So here we go. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here comes number 6, number 7, and this is the 8th and final. Good luck, everybody. So on top is Utah Breaker 23, and on the bottom is Steve Kiddo. So we're just going to copy and paste this list over to the final list. So just give us a second as we copy that and put it over to the main. I don't think you hit copy. Did you hit copy?
Yeah, sure.
I think you hit select all.
Yeah.
Well, same thing, huh?
Well, hold on. No, that's going to copy the select also.
Okay. Bam. All right. So now we're going to put that in the, I think you got to go all the way down, don't you? Oh, you got it. Cool. All right. So that's everybody as it was in the randomizer. So now we're going to randomize the team list. Yep. All right. Starting with the Arizona Cardinals, just in alphabetical order all the way down to the Washington Redskins. So 8 times again. 1, 2, number 3, and the 4th time, the 5th click, and now this, here comes 5th, go on, go through, there it goes, and the 6th clicky, and numero 7. All right, and the last and final, this is the final one, and the top is the Houston Texans, all the way down to the very bottom, which is the Redskins. So we'll move that over to the list and tell everybody who they got. So it looks like spot number 1, Utah Breaker, you got the Texans. Spot number 2, Tanya, you got the Bengals. Spot 3, Adam, you got the Jets. Spot 4 is the store. They got the Steelers again. Spot 5, Casey, you got the Packers. Spot 6, Lee, you got the Vikings. Spot 7, the store, got the Broncos. Spot 8, Guy, you got the Titans. Spot 9, Paul, you got the Seahawks. Spot 10, Dustin, the Raiders. 11, Kindry, you got the Lions. Spot 12, 13, 14, and 15 are all the shop, and that is the Patriots, the Eagles, the Bills, and the Falcons.
Ooh, I did good.
Spot 16, Craig, you got the Panthers. Nice job, Craig. 17, Jake, you got the Bucks. 18, Adam, you got the Browns. Overtime cards, you got the Jags. Ooh, that's a good one. Barry, you got the Saints. Overtime cards, got the Kansas City Chiefs.
Chiefs.
Overtime cards also got the Chicago Bears.
The Bears.
Adam Dayton, you got the Dolphins. Ross, you got the Giants. Overtime cards got the Dallas Cowboys. Utah Breaker 23 got the Cardinals. Jimmy Orr, you got the Colts. Craig, you got the 49ers. Overtime cards, Baltimore Ravens. Jake Thompson, you got the Chargers. Dustin, you got the Rams. And Steve Kiddo, you got the Redskins. So now, just really quick, you guys keep in mind, every team that says overtime cards will have a price for them. So if you want to buy the Cowboys, or if you have a team that overtime cards has gotten, they will be for sale. If you're interested, you can comment on the feed and you can ask how much they are, or we'll also post the prices too down there in case
In the comments under this video.
Under the comments under the video. So that is the random. We'll see you guys in about a half an hour. All right, peace out.